bo unu oh ya eti anu nie areho Lumba no bonyum sa say areho this is it on our Facebook page, saying as they say, this is the current state of Nkoko Stadium. This is the current state. The city and say, or what been an amount saying, first, yes, say, ya abrufo. I say, then I am penny to form fast for her. Oh. Na brana champion samna me fa no woman san na makop na medi oto ama osesia na brana champion samna se ombe de ombetumi bia se ombe ansa na saban be free ho saban betena ho na legacy amfa crest ka fo wokwa nyina baka mo abom amato atuma ma bibia tima koyi na bibia timi akoso awore Nkoko Stadium na etia no abode.
The deal is that ye de o contract no ebeye na ja homan na ye meto aso emfanye de so ye pese ye and ye say the nipa enan munsi stand we munsi we ye betimi asie wie bosomi nsia enye issue no but this say abandia ma contract no it becomes a problem, and that is why I am ye nyina ye de ensa abetum say de crutch no contractor no e wo se wo ye no onye wie no nko no mfanya ye na isi ya sase. But the assurance to Kofone say that stadium will be built. Say abaya nyakura yenye Kofo yebesi because a idea boa say bobo excitement enthusiasm and as enthusiasm when you cry me buy maybe 2 years the bia ko United be bobo ko memu no ha say sunsun fufu bia iden enye Nkoko ko ni na what I say, so it is in our interest says idea no yebeye, but there have been gaps, there are challenges, and I admit that we took our eye off the ball, but now we are firmly on it, and we make sure say the yebeye amakwu afanentuma afa efra ewo ye stadium
Honorable Brian Ashampo Ninsamo de 2 ye twa no tie be ye chira se na talk shop na ye obins keka na sampa esojuma be koso now ye de chire pa ye de hey wow we can young man jata na atwa mu hosisi ama efom wa yesa live on Facebook Adom 106.3 FM. I'm saying my can catch out that sir Black Stars are catch it. The question no na dressing room enye ize Jordan yo ani atizegi kikri ni atiti omontem. Eno dan chance Ghana kwa ba kusa si e kwa na ya na yanka na no Ghana that but still have him vogo. Say tebru no Angola de okoda da enti Sudan na kan 1 point bi obenya kan wona kese mathematically watumi eriko na aka obia too much say bebo Ghana yene Angola bebo na yene Nigeria abo yetimi win ni na beko 6 points. Sudan so bebo 2 games. Sudan game no ba Angola wom ana Nigeria so wom na omom ye no utimi say Angola qualify da Nigeria ajegon ohia drop no de akọ de keke koyi de Afcon yen kobi agese nyame bam mu kura abedin jisa nyankopon keka ne hom gidigidi de zede yamri bi o pipe kokko ni mu no no de betimi akobi because abem wan say Sudan be lose the match say aka nyina no mo this 7 no etete was am ye 8 abetwa mo akọ akwasi apio ni mo qualify as a bojen Ghana coach bia on na chi Egypt no Ghana no o be qualify simple no de ukọ eti amana something which is there na koto to ado de sama to dwa say enye but ojidi se vim vogo mathematically qualify.
It's really shameful that we didn't at least win our home games to get in a good situation for our away games, and we have to do better. But surely we have to learn, and it's very, very painful. But surely we can use this to learn out of our mistake. Everybody was down, and was a really, really hard pill to take. I think the passion and the discipline defensively, but also offensively, position-wise, was really, really good. It's just like we didn't execute, and the results were not there. But surely we deserve to win against Angola, and also like the last home game against Sudan. The reason I'm saying it because it affects surely the tactical view of the away game when you have to win. And if you won't win your home games and make your homeworks, can go tactically differently into the second matches. Which we couldn't, and we have a lot of things to learn. I think in general it's a good experience. I know very, very bad because we as Black Stars we represent the Ghanaian society, the Ghanaian people, and
Otono no chance it is shameful see home game, but Oto Yabeko.
Should qualify for the AFCON. It's not over yet. Mathematically, there's still a chance, and we will do everything which is in our hands to hold this chance alive. We are representing the society, we are representing Ghana, and we have a big responsibility, and therefore we have to do much better. But like I said before, I think everybody who saw the games knows it's just some interest. We are not there yet, but we are almost there. No, just here and there some goals missing. Everybody saw that we had plenty of opportunity to score in all the games goals, but they didn't come. But I'm very firm that it will come if we stay consistent and if we still believe. This is the most important thing.
Otosa still believe, and the most important thing you better qualify. Otosa the boss to that game no.
No, it's. I know it's very bad because we as black people have to learn, and it's very painful. But I think if you get this experience to take the rights, and if every player does, I think if we have for the World Cup for a long time.
I be break it. Also, say a new set of players, new generation cry. It man compare this generation to the old generation. Say they be a catch us up now boka here, my classmates no. Na primary school of pellet yeah. Bra Bruno ni wiasimo obaya. So na ho tontom sa no. Ye teacher be friend Mr. Sare. Ye na ho kwa. Na bia na ho ye krogro. Te am wan sa na boka na ho na ni sa. I me hu kunu me bisa na sempa. Asia, it was don't compare Abna Pokia now and Abna Pokia at Abusco. Don't compare the current Black Stars to the old Black Stars. Michael Essien won't come. They say I need to say
it's not good enough at the moment, but surely I as a head I have to look at the bigger picture. And it's a journey. The journey Ghana has been going, like I said before, since several years, and we have to reflect that the team is not there where we want them to be. And it's a different time. People sometimes I think people are a little bit stuck in the past. They're living in the actual time now. And we always refer to the past, but we have to think about now. What is about now? And we have to see what our options now, what we do now. And I can't compare players who have been playing in Chelsea, Juventus, Turin, Barcelona, Inter Milan, AC Milan. We had all these kind of players. Compare them with all due respect to our players, with our players at the moment. Maybe they will get there one day, but they're not there yet.
Otose no kwani say your players yent me fan compare o mama twamti. Mo me live in the present and stop living in the past. And now ba one adua say waji payo pan unya no da. But o ka say tete no oje payo de ene no oje pa say adua no ebenya no ba boni sisia de enya no because they say we jai fi say okoba ye to ni pe mu we jai a che say enya sam keto akra it. Let's not live in the past. The older one was a payola awana, the current awana yesu nkwa eto to do nsam what dey to dwan no Dr. Nyahota Makro enkan no ye chairman of the Ghana Football Association. I'm time na president. O say my mpamo to ado. Your pam na mistake.
No, I will not say the coach should be dismissed. No, I will not say, because that has never solved the problem. He can be advised. The coach should not be dismissed. This same coach, the directives he will get from the FA will let him do the right thing. The FA will tell him this is what we want, and please see to that. That's all. You don't have to stop the coach.
We don't have to sack the coach, Dr. Nyahota Makro. Na busia nchama kwa natie. Yeka Black Stars no munu ya no ya Black Galaxies yo. We local bogus no. Aha. Chan tournament eba. Yebe ko bia se qualify na ye Nigeria ewo game back kwa. Ese ebo no ye home and away between December 22 moto mo ba bi. Ana yebe se kwan bia so betimi abono na second leg no 27 for ba bi na se betimi qualify for the next round of the competition. Na coach Masudi Dramani na Black Galaxies head coach wa tunsa from rante be de o just another batch of crack pimo was in a near brepa person tiba and what things and a bit to me aquaje trophy at the Abregan and qualification of a
strong collaboration in terms of linking up with various clubs and more especially the coaches. I think week in week out I speak with majority of the coaches where these players are just to find out updates, and we also created a database in terms of monitoring groups monitoring our players, various players that have been identified earlier on into the database. So before we call already, we know that the player is active or the player has been injured and he's back to playing times, or the player has played few games but the player is okay and training, and so we bring players on how we place them in the database, how we also have identified in different phases from the Ghana universities, who played in the competition in Nigeria, and then also, checking on some lower divisions and also checking on the Division 1s, checking on the Premier, clubs, lower divisions. So every football.
Yo, Masudi Dramani just also a yajma pa or shaba bia player bia she bia. Sabi multimedia akura say obi a good haba be gura habe kanako. Nensa mono. Na wafu zombi amaka wansa makanka na 20 team no anwa ya draw. Ya first match ya ni Benin. Aha, the second match any Nigeria bebo ya 2-2 against Benin and a Togo so ni Nigeria about 2-2 the group no dey 1-1 and obi a want ya be match day 7 of the Ghanaian Premier League Basso Chira Accra Lions and Young Apostles of University of Ghana Stadium na face to Asiedu Vision and be Chem United about near J Kreku the second sports complex Asante Koroko and summer test about the Boggers are in town summer test muheye na Linkley and Payeja Ogumakasa for summer test game.
Summer test is a very good side, very structured side. Tactically, in terms of their arrangement on the field, you see that they have a structure and they have a style within the structure. So when you are playing them, you also have to be extra about them to be able to get the maximum points. So they are a good side. We've observed them, even though they are one match ahead of us. I don't think in terms of match fitness, the difference will be too huge. So I believe that we just have to be confident, we have to be very determined, and then we have to be very composed. Believe that we also have a structure that will play within the structure.
Right, okay, no, now, Ninu Watara, House of Folks, so Core Dreams, our Tuba Astroturf, so Coach Abubakar Watara, Winnie Banano, our young apostle, Sabetwaswana.
We are House of Food, that's the difference. House of Food, House of Food, understand? Every time I was saying or telling the players, House of Food, you can win from Monday to Saturday all the matches. If you fail Sunday, it's a pressure. Then we need to maintain their level and working hard both times. But we don't have any special preparation. It's the same we are doing every match. And on the field, the mental training, everything we are doing the same. All the comments, all the pieces in the football we're trying to work on. But it's normal training. We don't have any special training against any team. We are training because we know we are House of Food. When we are House of Food, we need to train hard to do more than the things the people are expecting.
We are House of Folk. We have to train and do more than the things that people are expecting. And then someone, Coach Watara, the two John Swatemani Basake, Holy Stars, Nabebo, Na Brekum Chelsea, Legon City Sabo, Karela, any out of Lions, Nabona Medima, any Nations game. No sooner is at the team Pumo, I said Basso, Abebasso or TNA, Bibiani Gold Stars near Jana Stars, and the Bebo in Tishaneson. Winning Ghanaian Premier League match day 7, I want Sama, Yade Abetum, Ediama Sports Page 1 live on Adom 106.3 and a feeder. Then you made a ye feeder Maswa. Papa Bress Baba na sports team no any abna poku a yenko fi na ne team ye ho fifre fi da sa na ye no na the sports na afam na eno danchan a hyene so as weekend games thing na de be pim bia na yemfa camera be mo hu se na won sam siete the Premier League is back, the La Liga and the account nyina so ba so a kwasieda e extra time so ye be mo hu se na no so be sia ko Go TV love it nyabi ofie ne hu se yes something they go on rado zo niam fa kon pa ma nyabi ofie sisi a matches thing na benya hwe Go TV so when you now bet a betway for the love of the game. Betway, if you cut and quandia, you go chop. Unya tranquandia bedi. It's a betway set for Jim Nani Pansari. Empty and everywhere you go, my empty up on a saying I used to, and you could send Bibia Paso your empty and so easy. Or my empty up on us. So DBS, you have about dance with DBS 15 ra. Swat to Sama the achin 2 chances and one chance in your one, but DBS papa in the airful, Bejodie. F-Pack be established a Banisano Bisa Sabraba, Tasabro away, F-Pack need to. Amanako. Imasala Jakwa Champion Let's Club Stone Rata and Rafael, Professor Wallace, or me producers. Yana Wakai, Nankasa Kegyiwa Hawaii. Eric Asiedu Boadi. Medewasi, Koswati Jason Sam.